All right, class. I'm going to go over the aquarium problem from last week, where you had two aquariums, trying to figure out some volumes and everything. So there are two aquarium tanks, A and B. Tank A is made up of two parts. The first part has a volume of 25 cubic feet. The second part has a volume of 75 cubic feet. What is the total volume of tank A? So I could envision tank A as something like, let's see how well I can draw this. Yeah, that wasn't very good right there, but that's okay. Trying to draw out two right rectangular prisms. That would make sense here. Okay. Obviously that's going to be a little strange, this stuff here. I should have covered that up. But anyway, okay. So this is my this is tank A. The whole thing is tank A. Right, we're saying this part here, this first right rectangular prism, has a volume of 75 cubic feet. This part, the second part over here, has a volume of 25 cubic feet. So I'm looking for the complete total for tank A, which would be one part plus another part. So 75 plus 25. I kind of know all of my hundreds pretty well, like what numbers add to 100, so I can see that 75 plus 25 is 100 feet cubed. But if I want to think about breaking that problem down in different ways, if I start with 75, I can find my multiple of 10, which would be 20 plus 20, so I can kind of do that easily. 95, and I have 5 left over from that 25, so that gives me 100. And if I wanted to look at that from a number line, if I have 75 and I go 20, that gives me 95, and then I plus 5 to 100. Okay, so my first answer is 100 cubic feet. Now it says if tank B has the same volume as tank A, so that means tank B has a volume equal to 100 cubic feet. Okay, and it's saying this. It also has two parts. One of the parts is 45 feet cubed, and they're asking what is the second part. So that tank might look something like, it's going to look different than tank A, right? Because we have different measurements. So it might look something I think that's supposed to go that way. Sorry about that. It's going to look a little weird. We're kind of ignoring this, and that's fine. And let's connect it over here. Okay, something like that. So we're saying this is now tank B, this whole thing is tank B. We know the whole value for tank B, so these two pieces together equals 100. And they're saying that one of these is 45 cubic feet. So they're wanting me to figure out what this piece is, what that volume is. So if I know I have 100, I know one of them is 45. I'm looking for I know that something plus 45 equals 100. I can figure that out by doing subtraction. Again, I know my my 100s. Like, I think that's a pretty good benchmark, so you should know things that add to 100. So right off the bat, I do know that this is going to be 55, but I can think about it in different ways. If I think about it on a number line, I start here with 100. I'm going to want to find a multiple of 10, which with 45 I can go to 40. Make it easy on myself, so I'm going to subtract 40. So I land on 60. And I have 5 left over, so that's minus 5, which is going to be 55. So again, 55 cubic feet is the correct answer. All right, let me know if you have questions. Thanks.